Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. Well, today's video is another super simple DIY. I'm actually going to be making 3, but these take seconds to put together. You may need to wait a little bit for the glue to dry on these DIYs, but they're so easy and they are really nice to either keep for yourself or make as gifts to gift to someone else. So the reason I came up with this video was because I was on Facebook the other day and I always see people post pictures of items that they've purchased at Dollar Tree, and then they'll post, purchase this today, what do you guys do with this item? Show pics or something like that. And then people will post pictures of things that they've made with that particular item. So when I picked up this Dollar Tree item, which I absolutely love, it has the wooden beads on this faux wood oval decor piece. I thought, let me think of 3 simple DIYs that I can make using this item. And again, they are super easy. This series for me was more a goal, since I had not been posting on YouTube much at all. It was just for me to set a goal to film 12 videos so that I could make the 12 DIYs of Christmas and complete all 12 videos, even if they were super simple. But you know, sometimes we're looking for a super simple craft. It doesn't always have to be this extravagant, as beautiful as some of these crafts come out. Sometimes we just want something really simple to work on, put together. And again, if it looks great enough and it's functional, then it's awesome if you can gift it to somebody. But many times we like to keep these crafts in our home and just enjoy them ourselves. So I came up with 3 simple, and I mean very simple, DIYs, and perhaps you might like to try one of them for yourself. But nevertheless, without further ado, let's jump into this video and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so starting with DIY number 1. So if you've watched my 12 DIYs of Christmas series, you will see that I showed this Dollar Tree wrapping paper that I absolutely love. And I used this wrapping paper to make 2 DIYs. And if you haven't seen them, go ahead and check those out. You may really enjoy them. So sometimes when you're wrapping presents, you have pieces of wrapping paper left over and they're just too small enough for a gift, and you might not want to wrap stocking stuffers, so you're left with scraps of paper. So I'm going to take the scrap here that I have, I'm going to turn it around, and I'm just going to trace the decor piece onto the back of the wrapping paper. Now there are wood beads on here, so once I have traced it, I'm going to eyeball this the width of these beads and then just go inside of that wall decor piece outline that I traced, and I'm just going to play around with it until I get it to fit inside of the wooden beads here onto the faux wood. And I'm gonna get my Mod Podge because I'm gonna add that first before I put the wrapping paper down, and then I'll give a coat over top of that wrapping paper once it has dried. DIY number 2, I'm going to be making a candle holder. And for this, I have picked up a Dollar Tree glass cylinder vase. They're one of my favorites. And I have a couple of these metal deer, and I absolutely love these. When I went, they had the deer and they had the polar bear. So I love deer, so this will be a great decor piece for my living room on my end table. And I can add different things to this. Like for now, I can add greenery, and whether I use artificial or even fresh greenery from snippings outside from my trees, it just makes it that much more beautiful. But like I said, for the seasons, I can always add other little ribbons or embellishments to make this piece go along with the season, or I could just leave it as it is. It looks pretty enough on its own. So for this, I'm going to be using my E6000 glue and my hot glue. I'm going to be adding the glue to the bottom of the vase. I have already traced out the bottom of the vase in the center of the piece, the decor piece. I'll glue that down, and then I'm going to take my deer and I'm going to glue one to each side of that vase. And that is it. But when I put it together, I'll have my candle in there lit and then a little bit of greenery, and you'll see how something so simple can look so pretty and very, very inexpensive. I'm going to be using 2 of these decor pieces to make a jewelry stand. So this again is going to be super simple. I have 2 of the Dollar Tree tea light candle holders in the glass, and I have a ornament that I thought was super adorable and reminded me of those jewelry boxes that when you open up the lid, the music starts to play and the ballerina turns around. So I thought this would be really sweet for my daughter to display her jewelry instead of having it closed in a box, and I think it will look really nice on her desk, and it will be easy for her to find everything she needs, but like I said, display it in a really pretty way. So here are the 3 DIYs that I made using these wonderful decor pieces from Dollar Tree. Here is the framed wrapping paper, and I just put it on a plastic Dollar Tree easel. You could really paint that up to make it look even nicer, or use their metal ones, or even make one out of wood. They're very simple to make as well, but really, really pretty. Here is the candle holder, which I absolutely love. with a deer on each side of the candle. And then here is the jewelry stand with the ballerina at the top. So I just filled that candle holder in the center with some glue, and it's holding her in there wonderfully. So now my daughter can place her jewelry on the stand and see everything that she has, really making it easy to access and display. And guys, that will do it for this DIY. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, you guys take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.